tight in on my face because I don't want to put a shirt on either. Okay. Oh, your mama's gonna do it too. Two camera action.
Okay.
So in this hotel room, I want to do it like that. Okay, are you both recording?
Yes.
Hey guys. So they have a robot in this hotel that supposedly will bring you your room service. So right here on this thing, if we scan this code with our phone, theoretically we can get the robot to bring us a drink. So let's see if that's gonna work. Okay, so let's keep rolling there, Nikki. So Mama, get your phone, stop recording and get your phone as a phone. Oh, okay, I'll do
Take
it.
your own phone.
Okay, so
Oh,
take my phone.
just press on the skin.
Go to WeChat, discover, scan.
Can you really do that in that way with topless?
Is it getting enough light here? Oh, see, look, and it's recorded something. Waiting for it to load up. Okay, but now we need Chinese speaker. So Nikki, what's going on here?
It's kind of obtain your location.
Okay, allow. Okay, and then we've got choice here. We find the drink we want. I'm hoping we can get, yeah, there's the vitamin C drink I want. For $7, yeah, that's what we bought before. Yes to this. What is this saying now? Obtain your name, phone number, and gender. Yes, okay. It wants to know all about me. Pay now. Pay. Okay, I put in my bank code here. And done. Now I don't know how it's going to figure out what room we're actually in. Oh, is this now asking for the room?
No,
What's
it's just
this?
like you have to pay this order
View
successfully. Just real
Okay.
order, you will see the
Okay.
details. Yeah, they have your, the name of the hotel and your room number.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, so.
Because I think when you scan the QR code, they actually.
Oh, it's the special for this room. Okay,
Yeah.
well, let's see. So theoretically, we've just ordered our drink, and the robot should be bringing it from downstairs in a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, so you can just.
Are you sure you just be kind of half naked? Can you post that on the YouTube?
Aren't you gonna say anything to this camera?
Oh. So hey there, viewers on camera 2. As you might have noticed when I was speaking to camera 1, we've just ordered our drink. And we're just waiting now to see how long until the robot brings it. Actually, if we're really smart, I'll put on my clothes and we'll go out to the elevator.
They have the information.
No, he will
here.
bring it right to your room.
Yes, I know, but it will be more interesting watching him leave the elevator and bring it to the room.
They hear the information is like begin pick and then delivering and
Oh,
complete. So they have the.
you can see the progress.
Okay, so Nikki,
the
get us on
action.
camera. Get camera 1 going again. Let's go.
Not yet.
Just press the top to start again. Where's my shirt?
You hanged it.
Oh,
You have the. Nikki, go. Just Nikki.
it's on floor 1. Maybe that's the robot getting in.
Yeah, probably. Let's see the.
Okay. So what's our status here? Still collecting or what? Or delivering?
Delivering.
Okay, well maybe that's the robot getting on the elevator.
Let's see.
We're on floor 10. So if this is coming up to 10, that's probably the robot bringing us our drink.
Yeah. Or the other one. Isn't it a little bit scary?
As you count to 10.
So how do you
So
like the
exciting.
technology?
I think we better get ready to bow down to the robot overlord. Bringing our drink. Oh, here he comes! Here he comes! Look, there he is! There he is! The robot bringing us our drink.
Just follow him.
Now maybe the thing to do is to kidnap him. Kidnap him. It says working, do not disturb. It says 10:07 delivery arrived. Open. Come see the screen. Oh, and even the phone's ringing to tell us the robot is here. And we open. And there's our not cold drink. They didn't get it out of the machine. They just got it from there. But now what happens if we kidnap him? Okay, here, take the drink. And we'll say close. And then what if I just manhandle him? What if I try to force him? Come on, buddy, get in the room. You're not going anywhere.
So this machine couldn't
You're not
talk.
going anywhere, buddy. You're coming with us. Get in the room. Get in the room. Get
No,
in
this
there.
one couldn't talk.
Get in there.
Stop it, they're gonna get
Oh,
you
okay.
arrested.
You think they'll arrest me for bugging the robot?
Yes. Look.
He doesn't know what to do. Look, he's very confused now.
Papa, stop. This is gonna get you.
Look, the poor guy doesn't know where he's
Now.
going. Okay.
Gonna get back in the house.
He's managed to figure it out.
Okay, he's leaving.
And now he'll also know how to call the elevator. I guess he must have some wireless connection to the elevator. Waiting at the elevator. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, robot.